In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert a sheet into Google Docs. Whether you're working on a presentation, report, or simply need to include a piece of data, this feature can greatly streamline your work. Let's dive right in and get started on this quick yet powerful tool. First, open your Google Docs document where you'd like to insert the sheet. As you gaze up toward the top of the page, locate the menu bar. Here you'll find the Insert tab, a gateway to adding various components to your document. Go ahead and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with numerous options. From this list, navigate down to Chart. Once you hover over it, an additional submenu will appear. Here, choose From Sheets. This is where the magic happens as we bridge Google Sheets and Docs together seamlessly. Upon selection, Google will present you with a list of all your existing Google Sheets documents. Take a moment here to find the specific sheet that contains the data or graph you'd like to include in your document. Click on your desired sheet, which will allow you to expand and view its contents. Here, you may select the particular chart or data you wish to import. Once your selection is made, click Insert. At this point, Google Docs provides you with an option to link or unlink your spreadsheet. This is a critical decision based on how you plan to use this data. If you choose to link, any future changes to the spreadsheet in Google Sheets will be automatically updated in your Docs document as well. This is particularly useful if your data is dynamic and frequently updated. On the other hand, if the data is static or you prefer to make independent adjustments within Docs, you might opt to unlink. Today, we'll proceed with linking to demonstrate the dynamic functionality. Finally, click on Import to complete the process. Your selected sheet data will now appear within your Google Docs document. It will be positioned exactly where your cursor was initially placed. This embedded sheet not only enhances your document's content, but also keeps everything organized and professionally presented. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a Google Sheets chart into your doc, paving the way to a more integrated and efficient workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the more you use these features, the quicker and more proficient you'll become. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, comment your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and happy document crafting.